Hi guys, back for another video. This one today is just going to be a quick short one. I had a gentleman ask me a good question actually. He watched my Downrigger video and there's one thing I didn't explain in it. He just wanted to know if I could explain in the video quickly for him. Okay, what I didn't show on the Downrigger video, so you got the ball and the clip, is how to attach the main line to the clip, but with rubber band. Okay, some guys just get their mono and all they do is like twist around a couple of times like so. This is the easiest way. And then put it into the clip. Like so. And that will work fine. Okay, that works absolutely fine. But I prefer to use a rubber band because, you know, I don't want to damage my line or anything if you do it up too tight. So let's, we'll try it with the rubber band. It's quick and easy. So what I've got here is a main line. This is your left side, this is going to the rod tip. This side here, you can see the swivel. Just imagine this is out to the bait. So I run my bait about 20 meters, 25 meters behind my ball. So run out your desired length, 20 meters, whatever you're running. Okay. Grab it about, you have a little bit of tension between where you're going to put the band and your rod tip. Just makes it easier. Now all I do is just put the rubber band around your finger like so. And now I'm just going to twist that band around the main line. Okay, so I went under the main line here. I'm just going to twist. Okay, you understand that, hopefully? Don't have to do it every time, 5 times or 6 times or something's enough, like so, right? Now with your loop end, the one you've been twisting with, just bring that back, and here's the loop that's around your finger, your right hand. So bring that loop back and put it through like so. You can see that? Now all I do is just slide the rubber band up, like so. How's that? It's on there, it's locked on there. So now with your little loop here, you're going to slide that into your clip. Make sure you adjust your clip so it's a right tension, which I've obviously forgot to do. But that should hopefully get in there. Come on, get in there. Okay, there we go, it's in there. Make sure you adjust your clip before you try that. Okay, so there you go. So when we're trolling, balls down, that's the way to adjust it, that way you don't damage your line. So if your clip's too tight or something, your rubber band's going to break. Otherwise, the band will pull out of the clip. And if you twist the way I just showed you, you'll see that's nice and straight. So that's going to the rod. Okay, the ball's going to be out like so. That's how it's going to look in the water. This one here, that's going out 20 meters to your bait. That's how it's going to look, control like so. It's not going to twist, it's not going to break. Okay? And that's how simple it is to put a rubber band on. It does take a little bit of practice when you're first doing it. And just remember when you twist it and you do it, while you're holding it, push the rubber band up. If you leave it like a long twist down, you'll see the line getting a kink and bend around. Just hold it and put the rubber band up so it looks like so. And that's it, that's all there is to it. And now when you go trawling your live baits and dead baits, instead of hurting your line and your clip, you've got the rubber band in there. 2 things will happen, it'll either break the band or it'll pull out of the clip. It won't hurt your line at all. And the best part is, this usually stays on here, so when you bring it back up after catching your fish or missing the fish or whatever, you'll know how far your bait was back. So you just get this bit, you pull it off, put a new rubber band on the same spot. Good to go. Anyway, I hope that helped. And I'll see you shortly in the next video. Thanks guys, bye.